Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and we're gonna show you a few ways that our customers are using AI to power their work. All right, putting together presentations may not be your strong suit, and it's not mine either, but with the help of AI, it actually can be. So if you're running a Toolbox talk in, let's call it 5 minutes, I wanna show you how to get ready and prepared for that Toolbox talk using Manus. So let's check it out. All right, let's go into Manus. And let's type in, help me create a safety briefing presentation for high voltage electrical work that I can deliver in a Toolbox talk to my team during our lunch break. All right, it's gonna get to work, and then in a few minutes, it'll generate talking points, reminders, but not only that, it'll generate an entire presentation ready to go. If you even give it your company logo, branding, and also the different colors that you use, it'll get those right too. So check it out. You don't have to start from zero anymore.